In a major government overhaul, President William Ruto has designated Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi as the acting Cabinet Secretary for all ministries. This announcement was made in a Gazette notice issued on July 11th, signifying a comprehensive restructuring of the cabinet. The official notice stated that pursuant to Article 152(5)(a) of the Constitution, Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, EGH, is assigned as the acting cabinet secretary in all vacant ministerial portfolios. This directive follows President Ruto's decision to dismiss all his cabinet secretaries a week earlier. The sweeping changes led to the dissolution of the entire cabinet, including the Attorney General. Prime Cabinet Secretary Mudavadi, who also serves as the Foreign and Diaspora Affairs CS, was the only member to retain his position amid the reorganization. President Ruto emphasized that a new cabinet will be appointed after thorough consultations across various sectors. In the meantime, with the CSs removed from their positions, ministry accounting officers and other officials will manage the day-to-day operations of their respective departments. This interim arrangement, with Mudavadi overseeing all ministries, highlights a critical period of transition and reformation within the government as it prepares to establish a new cabinet.